Hi, this is Dr. Behnam. I'm a board-certified dermatologist, and today we have one of our lovely patients with us who's been using our topical combination of the topical finasteride mixed with the prescription Minoxidil mixed with Retin-A. So welcome. Nice to see you.
Thank you, sir.
So first of all, tell me, so he has been on oral medications like Propecia and Blvd for a while. So tell me how that worked for you when you were taking it.
Well, we had some mixed results. It would plateau, it would be effective, and then stop working and kind of regress. And all that reversed when we started using a topical solution.
Okay, and what happened when you started adding on the topical to the oral medication that you were already taking?
We actually started to see visible results that other people would comment on.
Okay, great. So you were on the oral and we kind of maintained what you had kind of on and off, but it was a topical that really push you to the next level with respect to the hair growth. Is that what happened?
Yes, it did. It actually provided satisfactory results finally.
Good, I love it. And how do you use the topical usually?
It's just a couple sprays in the morning. It's really easy.
Perfect, great. Do you use it once a day or twice a day?
I'm using it once a day.
Oh, that's perfect, great. Yeah, some people use it twice a day, some people use it once a day. So a lot of people actually just use it alone by itself, but sometimes people combine it with the oral in order to make the oral work more effective. So that's the whole point. And we're looking at his hair right now. It's looking really good. You're growing along. I love it.
Definitely improvement.
Definitely improvement. It's growing out quite a bit. Well, look, I'm very happy. Would you recommend the topical spray to other people?
I would definitely recommend it. It works great.
Great.
Worked great
Well, I
for
love
me.
it. Perfect. Look, so nice to see you. I'm having getting great results. Again, this is
Thank
one
you.
of our patients who's been using it, and I'm very happy you're seeing great results. I love it. Thank you.